I wish I was a mobile phone. Yes, that's my biggest wish. If I were a phone, my parents would hold me in their hands all the time. They would smile at me, touch me gently, and never leave me alone. If I stopped working, they would do everything to fix me. If my battery was low, they would rush to charge me. And if I ever got lost, they would search the whole house to find me. But I am not a phone. I am their son. And yet, most of the time, I feel invisible. When my dad comes home from work, I wait for him at the door. I want to tell him about my day, how I won a race, how my teacher praised me, or how my friend shared his lunch with me. But before I can finish a single story, he pulls out his phone. His eyes stay fixed on the screen as he scrolls, checks his emails, or watches something. And then he says, "Not now, later." That later never comes. My mom is no different. She spends hours on social media, laughing at videos or talking to her friends. Sometimes, I sit beside her quietly, waiting for her to notice me. Sometimes I even start talking, but she just nods without looking up. It hurts when I realize she gives more attention to her phone than to me. At school, my friends talk about playing games with their parents or going out together. I smile, but deep inside, I feel sad. I don't remember the last time my parents sat with me without checking their phones. One night, I couldn't sleep. I kept staring at the ceiling. And the thought kept returning, if I was a mobile phone, they would love me more. That idea hurt, but it felt true. The next day, my teacher noticed I was unusually quiet. She came over and asked softly, "Ollie, what's wrong?" For a moment, I wanted to hide my feelings, but then I whispered, "Ma'am, I wish I was a mobile phone." She looked surprised and asked, "Why would you wish that?" I answered with tears in my eyes, because then my parents would hold me, listen to me, and never ignore me. They would always care for me, just like they care for their phones. My teacher's eyes filled with tears. She didn't say much, but I could tell she understood. That evening, she called my parents to school. She told them what I had said. At first, they laughed nervously, as if it was just a childish joke. But then she looked at them seriously and said, "Your son feels lonely. He feels like a mobile phone is more important to you than he is." My parents went quiet. For the first time, I saw guilt on their faces. They realized how much their silence and neglect had hurt me. That night, something changed. My dad put his phone away when he came home. My mom turned off her notifications. They both sat with me, hugged me, and listened carefully as I told them about my day. For the first time in a long while, I felt seen. Since then, things are better. My parents still use their phones, of course, but now they also make time for me. They eat dinner with me without distractions. They ask me about school, about my friends, about my little dreams. And I don't wish to be a mobile phone anymore. I am happy being their son, because finally, I know I matter to them. Sometimes I still wonder, how many children feel the same way I did? How many wish there were phones just to be loved? I hope parents everywhere remember, children don't want expensive gifts or gadgets. What we need most is simple, your time, your love, your attention. Phones can wait. But childhood does not.